Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use WordPress plugins for SEO. A plugin is a piece of software that adds new features or extends functionality on an existing application, commonly used on websites that are built with content management systems like BigCommerce, WordPress, Jumia, and Drupal. Now, to view our plugins in WordPress, so we will simply scroll down until we see plugins. Then we will click plugins. Now you can see this is the plugin section where different plugins can be seen. Now for this video, we will use plugins for search engine optimization. So we'll just click search engine optimization. But what do we mean by search engine optimization? Now, search engine optimization or SEO is the process used to optimize a website's technical configuration, content relevance, and link popularity so its pages can become easily findable, more relevant, and popular toward users, search queries, and as a consequence, search engine ranks them better. So basically, SEO helps your website to rank first on search engines. Now, if you will scroll down, we will see different SEO plugins that we can use. So we have Yoast SEO, All-in-One SEO, Redirection, Rank Math, XML Sitemap Generator, etc., etc. Now, it's up to you or depending on your needs, so you can use different SEO to help your WordPress website or whatever website you are trying to build. And that's how you use WordPress plugins for SEO. So if you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube